Good morning, Kasturians. So today again we will try to discuss something from chapter number 14, which is semiconductors. And from this chapter, particularly that we will be discussing today is difference between intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors, and also the difference between the N-type and P-type semiconductors. Okay, so let us start. So the first difference is that between intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductor is that intrinsic semiconductors, as you know that conductivity in this type of materials is due to the internal, you can say the internal substances, or you can say if some internal impurities are present. So we can say these type of substances, they are pure semiconductors. But if we talk about extrinsic semiconductors, we all know two kinds of doping, or you can say two kinds of topic impurities are preferred in case of extrinsic. The two are, first one is of impurities from group number 3 and elements of group number 3, and also the elements of group number 4, 5 elements of group number 5, or you can say trivalent or pentavalent impurities are doped for the extrinsic semiconductors. So they are impure extrinsic semiconductors, but in intrinsic semiconductors they are pure. This is the first difference. If we talk about the second difference says that electrical conductivity is low in case of intrinsic semiconductor. Why? Because we already know that they are pure semiconductor. That means they do not have some external impurities which enhance the conductivity of the semiconductors. Whereas in case of extrinsic semiconductors, their electrical conductivity is high because some external impurities which enhance the conductivity of the semiconductors, they are added. But you can say in intrinsic semiconductors, we are not there is no permitted energy states, whereas in case of extrinsic semiconductors there are various energy states, or we can say some allowed energy states. Okay, about the electrical conductivity in case of intrinsic semiconductors, it depends on the temperature. But when we talk about the extrinsic semiconductors, uh, the conductivity, it depends upon the temperature as well as on the dopant concentration. Okay, that means the impurity that we are adding. Also, the number of free electrons in the conduction band, they are equal to number of electrons, or you can say number of holes in the valence band in case of intrinsic semiconductor. But in case of extrinsic semiconductors, electrons, they are majority in case of N type of semiconductors, but they are in minority in case of P type of semiconductors. So we can say electrons are in majority in N type, whereas holes are in majority in P type of semiconductor. Okay, so now let us discuss the difference between N type and P type semiconductors. See, in N type, we can say these N type, they are doped by the pentavalent impurities, or we can say the impurities from the group number 5, for example germanium and silicon. But if we talk about P type, they are doped by the atoms from group number 3, or we can say the trivalent impurities are doped. For example, boron. Okay, now we can see that the free electrons are called donors. In case of N type, see here we are having donors. Donors means the free electrons. So to free electrons we call donors. But in case of P type, we are not having free electrons. Instead, there are vacancies in P type semiconductors. So to these vacancies are known as acceptors, or we can say holes. Okay, now this donor level, it lies below the conduction band, but this acceptor level, it lies above the valence band. Now we already know in N type semiconductor, number of electrons are more than number of holes, so this is what represented here. But in P type, number of holes is greater, so this is this point. Now majority carriers in N type is electrons, minority carriers is holes. In this case, majority carriers are holes, whereas minority carriers are electrons. Okay, so that's all for today. We will be discussing the other part in the next class. Okay, so for today, thanks, and thank you so much for watching the video. Thanks.